The built-in FlexNet libraries have been updated to version 11.19. You need to update the Transcat vendor daemon of your FlexNet license server. More details can be found in the video description below. While Lite3D can be used for free, some advanced functionality is unavailable unless you have a Lite3D Pro license. Take a look at the sample model for which most Lite3D Pro functions are unlocked. You can open the sample model on the Lite3D welcome page. To try Lite3D Pro with your own data, you can request a free evaluation license. DRML files with simulation results exported from Simulia Abacus may include a color legend. Lite3D can display the color legend in the new legend pane. You can use a 3D connection space mouse to interact with the Lite3D viewing area. In order to work, the space mouse needs to be connected before Lite3D is started. Materials with transparency are now supported for STEP AP242 Edition 2 files. Displaying of faces, which include both tri-strip sets and tri-fan sets, has been improved. Smaller changes and improvements are listed here. The new self-intersecting shell rule checks whether a shell intersects or is in contact with itself. Text in the model tree and rules view can now be copied via the context menu. The handling of rolling ball surfaces has been further improved. A new light car feature is now available, Interior Safety Radius. The Interior Safety Radius feature checks the curvature radius of reachable areas of the vehicle interior according to UN/ECE R21 regulations. Areas are considered reachable if they can be contacted by a sphere of a defined diameter. In these areas, the curvature must have a radius above the specified limit. New standards have been added to existing light car features. The Compare 3D representation check is now also available for STEP files with tessellated geometry data. STEP files without tessellated geometry data cannot be compared and will be closed automatically. Results for Compare Find New and Deleted and Compare PMI content are grouped by similar entity types. This makes it easier to find the relevant information. Regions are now highlighted in the viewing area when selected. With the Fit an Item on Selection button selected, the region will also be zoomed in on. Visit technia.com for more information.